Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venance aka Miss.Cameroon. I am back with a new video. So today I wanted to do this video because I got a package from FASHIONNOVA. A big ass box. Oh my god, like a big box. I wanted to do an unboxing video and basically show you guys what I got, and it's also going to be like a try on video too, because last time that I did an unboxing video you guys wanted me to also try it on, so that's what I'm going to do.
All I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs.
Let me start with clothes first, obviously. Okay, so it's like this in a plastic. Okay, so I remember what this is. It's called It's Complicated Jumpsuit and it's $49.99. So basically I got this like overall, so I had to get like something like fall related. It's extra small. It looks like it's super big, which is, you know, I'm glad I got an extra small, but yeah, so this is extra small. I like the color, you guys. This is fall is coming up, so during fall I like to wear like lots of browns and stuff. I really like this. I actually remember getting this, and I already know how I'm gonna style it. Let's go to the next one. Ooh, this is silver, extra small, prime time metallic jumpsuit. So it looks like I got a lot of jumpsuits. Oh my god, okay, wow, I remember getting this too. So oh my god, this is so hot. And then like in the back is like all open. $39.99. I really wanted to get this because I just feel like fall season, and I like that it has padding on, like it has the paddings right here. I'm so excited to put it on so you guys can see how it looks on me. So this is the In the Danger Zone set. So it's a set. Oh my god, I remember this. And this is extra small, guys. I got everything extra small. So this is like a two-piece set. Danger, so like it comes in the skirt, and on the side it has danger, and it's a leather. And then the top, oh my god, the top is so hot. And the top is just like this. There's danger on the side, and this is extra small, and it's $49.99. Oh, I'm going to St. Louis next weekend, and you already know what I'm going to be slaying, and you already know what I'm going to be wearing with. Like I'm going to be slaying this so much. I really like the orange details on the side. I just think it brings the look a little bit of like a to the outfit, you know. Oh, this is so cute. This is a she a baddie romper, and this is how it looks. It doesn't have the price on here, but I guess like it's gonna be crisscross in the back, and then you see like it's obviously it's not like fully all the way down. I like the color. It reminds me of fall, you know. I'm like all about fall. This you know, fall is around the corner, so we gotta like switch it up a little bit with the colors. So okay, this piece right here, I already wore it, but I'm still gonna show you a picture, you guys, this on YouTube, because I feel like people on Instagram saw this, but people on my YouTube haven't. Put it down below. It's like a three-piece. So this is the top. I've always wanted something like this, and then it comes with a skirt like this, and then you can tie it up right here. And then you know what it comes with that I'm like obsessed with? Like a head thingy, like a head scarf. It comes with a head scarf, and you know, I really like it. So yeah, this is another summer look, summer style that I had on. It's like a two-piece. I was like obsessed with like two pieces this summer, and this is like a super short. This is so little too. It's extra small. It's super little, but I really like it. my booty was kind of out in this, so I only took pictures with it. I did not go out with it, okay? Like, my booty was all out. I was looking like a Fashion Nova girl with this. But so it comes with shorts like this, and yeah, 2 pair of shoes. So the shoes I got, oh my god, these shoes are so sexy. The name of the shoes are Out of Line Booties and yellow, and I'm at 8.5. So this is the shoe right here. I love the color. It's neon yellow, and then it has like a clear heel and a zipper on the side. During like fall, I really love wearing a lot of like these type of boots, like the stretchy type boots. If you remember me from last like winter and fall, in spring I always wear booties like these. Like whenever companies want to send me booties or shoes, these are the type that I always pick. I love them. The last pair of shoes I got is this. It's called Croc Crazy Booty, 8.5. So I had to get it. I really like the crocodile skin, and I like the zipper on the side. I love the way the boot looks. Like I know I can wear it with a lot of these outfits that I got, so I already know I will slay them. I really like this how it goes inside here. It's like a detail that's kind of hidden, but it's kind of cool. Yes guys, that's basically all for this unboxing video. I'm going to do a lot more of these because I always get stuff sent to me, but I never unbox it. So I'm going to start unboxing more stuff. I hope you guys enjoy all the items. So comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite item. If you are interested to buy any of these items, just go ahead and click the description box down below. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.
I wanna give you better, baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step